Hey there, my name is Blast, and today I will be doing a tutorial-ish video on how to get a moving slash animated wallpaper on your PC, iOS, Mac, or Windows. Whatever you're using, this should work. Now, it is simple and it's easy, and it looks really cool. Now, this does involve money or paying, so if you want them to be free, then this isn't the video for you. Now, let's get on with the tutorial. Now first, you want to have a Steam account, which I do. And if you don't, create one. It's easy and it's free. So once you have your Steam account, oh wait now. Then what you do is you go into Home and you go into Store. Then in the Search Your Store option, you type in Wallpaper Engine. Wow, I spelled wallpaper wrong. Jesus. Wallpaper Engine. Wow, dang, ouch. And it should pop up right here, Wallpaper Engine. As I said, it costs $4, but it's very worth it. You get millions and millions of moving wallpapers. Now, once you do that, first you have to pay for it. I already did, but you get to customize them. For example, customize them, and there's lots and lots of them, as they say. So once you have that download, then what you want to do is it should be like right here in your I don't know what to call it stuff. Then you can close off Steam, and then you open Wallpaper Engine up. And it should bring you right to it. And it'll probably give you, a terms of agreement. And just press agree. Now, you can search up anything you want. There's lots of anime wallpapers. Like lots, and lots. And some even move. Oh, actually, never mind. I shouldn't have said that. Some even play music. For example, right now, there's like this one. I get copyright rules. Can't turn on the sound because I don't want to get copyright strike. But anyway, this one does have music to it. And like for example, with this one, you can customize it. Red, you can change the background color, whatever you want. Oops, wait. Background color, you can change it to green, neon green. Car body color, you can do purple, whatever you want. And then there's a 4K city, like this. This is really pretty, and it's real. Also like the neon sunset, vaporwave-ish, a retro wave. There are lots of wallpapers. Like if you, for example, if I search what is there? About Valorant. I play that game a lot. There are Valorant wallpapers, and pretty much all of them are moving. And there's like a couple that aren't. And this one is very cool. I installed it. Very interesting. And yeah, that is it. And so far, this is the only way to get moving wallpapers on your PC, whatever you're using. Like if there is like a free link to download this, don't trust it because it's probably a virus or something. But anyways, that was just a quick tutorial on how to get a moving wallpaper on your PC or whatever you're using. Hold on. I want to see if they have a slide. Well, guys, dang, my spelling is horrible. Nope, they don't have a cyber blast. I'm just going to do this. Okay. Yay. Oh wait, I have to subscribe. But basically, there's a workshop where, and you can also create your own wallpapers and upload them. And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like, subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Bye.